Hello foodies and welcome back to my channel. Let me show you how amazing and simple this Matki Usal is. With just a few ingredients we can have a delicious dish ready in minutes. Let me show you, come on. These are sprouted matki or moth beans and I have shown how to sprout these in my previous video. The video link is in the description box. This is very simple and easy to make and gets done quickly. Garlic will give a wonderful flavor to the dish. Saute the onions until translucent. In go the sprouts and the raw peanuts, and we will just saute to mix. We need to add all the powders for them to bring out their flavors together. The detailed recipe is in the description box. Add hot water and we need to just add enough for cooking. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will get notified with any new recipes I post every week. These cook quickly and we will cook on medium flame. Let's see if they are ready. Perfect. Now jaggery will bring all the flavors together. The matki is cooked, so we need to just cover until the jaggery melts. Looks so good, don't you think? Garnish and we are ready to serve. You can have this with rice, rotis or as is. Give a big thumbs up, show some love, and thanks for watching. I'll bring you another exciting recipe next week. Until then, bye.